guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to add or remove icons from your MacBook dock. In this video we'll learn this guys. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. So first I am going to show you how to remove the any app icon from your MacBook dock. To remove this guys, click and hold on your app icon and drag it on your desktop. As you can see guys, it will remove from your dock. Now if you want to add any app icon on your desktop, go to your launch pad like this and go to the app which you want to add on the dock. Just select this and drag it on your dock like this. Okay, as you can see guys, the app icon was now added on your MacBook dock. So this is the easy and very simple method to add or remove any app icon on your MacBook dock. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.